Okay, once again, good morning. And I know you are excited for our discussion for today, but before we proceed with that, let's review some concepts that you will use later on with our discussion. To our discussion, we have the symbols. We call it relation symbols. Okay, do you know what are the use of these symbols? Are you familiar with this?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. For you to understand it better, let us have some examples. We have 3 and 4. We will use this symbol less than because 3 is less than 4. And 7 is greater than 2. Very good. And we have 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is why we use this symbol. Now, do you understand the relation symbols?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Now let's have a story. Yesterday, I and my friends was in SM and we had some pizza. Who among you eat pizza in here? Okay. We had pizza and I, your teacher, Romeo, ate 1/5 of pizza. Sir Alfred ate 1/8 of the pizza. And Ma'am Joanne ate 1/4 of the pizza. Now here's the question. Who do you think ate the biggest piece of pizza? Now, write your name on any piece of paper and put it in the box. Does that corresponds your answer? The names that is in the correct box will get the plus points for our quiz later. Okay? You can now write your name at any piece of paper and if you are done, you can put it here in our box. For us to find out who ate the biggest piece, let us have the given. We have letter A, 1/5, B, 1/8, C, 1/4. If you think that 1/5 is the biggest piece, you put your name here. If you think that 1/8 is the biggest piece, you put your name here and also on to our letter C. Now let's find out. I have here some pizza and we will try to compare so that we can see who ate the biggest piece. We have a pizza that is sliced into 5 pieces because we have 1/5. Let us try to see if how 1/5 look like. Okay, 1/5 meaning we will cut the pizza into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's cut it. 1/5 of pizza. Okay, and this is 1/5 of our pizza. Okay, this is 1/5. Now let's take a look at 1/8. How 1/8 look like? We have another pizza and we will slice it into how many pieces? How many pieces?
Eight.
Eight. 8 pieces. Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. And we have 1/8. Now let's try to take one piece of the 8 slices. Slices. Okay. And now we have 1/8 of pizza. This is how it looks like. compared to 1/5. Yes. Now let's take a look at 1/4. We have another pizza here. And how many slices that we are going to do in here? Four. We have four slices and we will take one slice from this four. Okay. And now we have 1/4. This is how it looks like. Okay. Now, looking at our slices of pizza, 1/5 look like this, 1/8, this one, and 1/4, this one. Alfred, which one is the biggest?
Letter C.
Letter C? That's right, letter C. The biggest piece is 1/4. Okay, who among you got the correct answer? Very good. Now you have a plus point for our discussion, for our quiz later. Now let's, what have you observed in our examples? Do they have the same denominator? Okay, what have you observed? Okay, they have different denominator. Therefore, we call them dissimilar fraction. Say it.
Dissimilar fraction.
Dissimilar fraction. Dissimilar fraction is a fraction with different denominator. Okay? 1/5, 1/8. We have 5 here and we have 8. They are not the same. And we have 4 and 8. Also, they are not the same. And 5 and 4, they are not the same. Therefore, we call them dissimilar fraction. What if they have the same denominator? Then we call them similar fraction because they have the similar or the same denominator. That's right. Let's always remember that a smaller denominator makes less pieces. And bigger denominator makes more slices. Now let's read it again.
Smaller denominator makes less slices.
Okay. As you can see in our pizza, we have 1/4. Therefore, we make 4 slices. And for our 1/8 pizza, we've made 8 slices. And in our 1/5, we have 5 slices. Therefore, if we have a smaller denominator, we have less piece of slices. Okay. Now let's continue. Let's have another example. We have this picture. Who do you think is in the picture?
Cocomelon.
That's right. That is a video from Cocomelon. And in that picture, they are celebrating what?
Birthday.
Birthday. It is birthday of JJ. His name is JJ and it is his birthday. Now, JJ had friends also and his friends came in to celebrate with him. We have Nina and Tom Tom. JJ ate 1/3 of his cake. Tom Tom ate 1/9 of his cake, of JJ's cake, and Nina ate 1/6. Who do you think ate the biggest piece of cake? Any guess?
I guess it's JJ.
It's JJ. Now let's see. We have here another cake cut out. Okay, we have 1/6, meaning we will divide the cake into how many pieces? Six pieces. Okay, so Nina ate 1/6. Let's try to count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, and Nina ate 1. Okay, now let's take it. Now we have the 1/6 of the cake. And this is how it looks like. 1/6. Now let's take a look at 1/3. We will divide the cake into how many pieces? 3 pieces. Okay? 1, 2, 3. If this is the cake, we will cut it in here. And 1/3 looks like this big. Okay? Okay, now we have 1/9. We will have another cake for us to see how 1/9 look like. If this is the cake, we will cut it into how many pieces? 9 pieces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's take 1 out of 9 slices. And we have 1/9 of the cake. This is how it looks like. Now, looking at our cake cut out, who ate the biggest piece? JJ ate the biggest piece. Okay, very good. Now let's have another example. Your mother instructed you to buy tomatoes. At the market, a store offers 1/2 kilo of tomatoes and another store offers 1/3 kilo at the same price. To make your mother happy, you need to choose the option with heavier tomatoes. Okay, we have 1/3 and 1/2. For us to better understand, let us have an illustration. If this is a kilo of tomatoes, we will divide it into 2. Okay, and 1/2 kilo of tomatoes looks like this big. Okay, and 1/3 kilo looks like this big. Okay, if we will divide 1 kilo into 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1/3 kilo looks like this. Therefore, we can see that 1/2 is heavier than 1/3. Very good. Now, are we clear with our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, none. Now let's have a quiz. Bring out your paper and your pencil. Okay, and let's have a quiz. Okay. Who wants to read the instruction?
Sir.
Okay, yes, Maricar.
Write the following in your paper and encircle the similar fraction and box the dissimilar fraction.
Okay, thank you for reading it. Okay, we will encircle the similar fraction. If the fraction have the same denominator, just like this one, then we will encircle it. And if the fraction have a different denominator, then we will box it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, now let's have another. Okay, let's complete the table. Okay? By writing less than or greater than, you will compare these fractions to this one. Okay? Who wants to read the instruction? Yes, Paulo.
Complete the table by providing the correct relation symbols.
Okay, these are the relation symbols, and you're gonna write it's either greater than or less than. If this one is greater, then you will write greater than. If this one is greater, then you will write less than. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's have another. Okay. With your paper, at the back of your paper, write the letter of the correct answer. Now let's check your answer. These are the correct answer. The first item is similar or dissimilar fraction. Similar, correct. The next one, is it similar or dissimilar? Okay, who got the correct answer? Yes, very good. And for the last item, dissimilar. Okay, let's continue checking your answer. Okay, the correct answer is less than. For the next item is greater than, because 3/4 is greater than 2/5. We have 2/4 is less than 2 1/2. Okay, now let's have 2/8 is less than 4/7. Now we have 5/5 or 1 is greater than 4/9. Now let's continue checking your quiz. We have the third part. The right answer is 3/4, because 3/4 is bigger than 1/2. Okay, let's have a drawing. For 1/2, it looks like this. Okay, and for 3/4, if this is 1 liter of water, we will divide it into 4. Okay, and we will take 3 pieces of the four four parts of the liter. Okay, and 3/4 liter of water looks like this. Okay, as you can see, the tumbler the tumbler that can contain 3/4 of water is bigger than 1/2. Okay, using the relation symbols that we had, we can say that 1/2 is less than 3/4. Very good. Next one. Smaller denominator makes less slices, and bigger denominator makes more slices. Now we have dissimilar fraction is a fraction with different denominator. Okay? Now we have similar fraction is a fraction with same denominator. Okay. Who among you got all the correct answers? Okay, very good. Okay. Now let's give those who got now let's give your plus points. Which one is the biggest? Letter C, the names. Okay, +1 for your quiz. Paulo, very good. Okay. Also +1, EJ, very good. Now we have, very good, Archie, +1. Okay. Oh, Vermar, you get the correct answer. Very good. Okay. And we have Alfred. Very good. You got the correct answer. Oh, there's last one. Ian, you got the correct answer. Okay. Okay, for those students that had their name in this box, you've had the correct answer in our motivation a while ago. Therefore, you will get a plus point. Write +1 in your paper. Okay? And pass it forward. Very good. Thank you. Now, do you have any question with our today's topic? Do you have any question?
Anong oras po yan?
Okay, later we'll have our dismissal. But for now, let's have an assignment. Okay? Assignment. Okay, bring out your assignment notebook and copy your assignment in our screen. Arrange the following fraction in increasing order. Okay? Okay, yes, you can take picture of it. Okay, very good for those who are writing. Okay, now let's have another assignment. Write the definition and example of decimal number in your assignment notebook. Okay, are you done writing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so get ready. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay.
Goodbye, classmates. See you tomorrow.